According to Gartner, tech industry gives highest paying career option and the most important factors which influences our career choice is salary. This lockdown period is the best time for you to plan your career. So keeping that in mind, I Akshay welcomes you all on this video on top 3 highest paying jobs in 2020. And before we go forward, please subscribe our channel for not missing any updates from our channel. And one more thing, you have also to join with us on Instagram. Why? Because on my 5 there is an opportunity to access the paid course of $29 in Indian currency 2216 rupees on cloud computing offered by Google free on the platform Coursera. But it is limited and in few hours the registration closed. And I feel the lack of community platform where I suggest this type of courses. Now, without any further delays, let's get started. So, on number 3, we have Cloud Engineer. Cloud Engineer is an IT professional who takes care of all the technical work. Regarding cloud computing, if you are aware of current situation of cloud computing in the market, you know that almost all the organizations are looking for cloud engineers because almost every organizations moving their infrastructure to cloud computing. Average salary of cloud engineer is $1,39,000 per year, which is almost above 1 crore in Indian currency. Skills required for cloud engineers: experience with Linux operating system, understanding of the almost any of the cloud computing platform, basic programming knowledge and understanding DevOps. Now, up next on number 2, we have data scientist. Data scientists are the big data wranglers who works extensively with big data. They take over multiple roles in an organization, for example, data mining, data analyzing, data cleansing, data organizing, and most importantly, extracting valuable information from big data. Average salary of a data scientist is over $1,39,897. Skills required for a data scientist is programming skills in any of the statistical programming languages like Python or R. Statistical skills for understanding big data tools and data visualization tools. Now, on the top of list we have artificial intelligence architect, means AI architect. An AI architect handles AI development and management within an organization and also delivers an AI solutions to the clients work with. Average salary of AI architect is $1,44,000 per year. The skills that are required to become AI architect includes knowledge of programming languages used for statistical computing such as R and the knowledge of AI concepts such as machine learning, deep learning and more. So guys, these are the top 3 highest paying jobs that you should definitely look out for in the present scenario. So again, not everyone list can be same, so if you have any other tech jobs in mind that you would like to include in this list of highest paying jobs, then do let us know in the comment section below. Thank you.